Intelligence we talk about. Intelligence is a natural phenomenon. Just breathing is, just seeing is. Intelligence is the inner seeing. It is intuitive. It has nothing to do with intellect. Intellect is of the head. It is taught by others. It is imposed on you. You have to cultivate it. It is borrowed. It is something foreign. It is not inborn. But intelligence is inborn. It is your very being, your very nature. We are trying to make everybody the same as everybody else, hence destroying everybody's potential for being himself. Intelligence dies in imitating others. If you want to remain intelligent, you will have to drop imitating. Stop becoming a carbon copy of others. When you think how to be like that person, you are falling from your intelligence and you are becoming stupid. The moment you compare yourself with somebody else, you are losing your natural potential. Now you will never be happy. You will lose your clarity. You will lose your vision. You will have borrowed eyes. How can you see with somebody's eyes? You need your own legs to walk. Your own heart to be beat. Prepare living to borrowed life. Hence their life is paralyzed. This paralysis makes them look very stupid. The greatest misery in life is to feel oneself stupid, unworthy, unintelligent. And nobody is born unintelligent because we come from God and God is pure intelligence. We bring some flavor, some fragrance from God when we come into the world, but immediately the society jumps and makes it imitate others. So don't imitate others, be intelligence, find your intelligence. And if you are imitating others, you are destroying your intelligence. So if you really want to be intelligent, you have to be rebel. Drop all that has been imposed on you against your will. Search again for you who you are. Start from ABC. Start watching yourself. Be a watcher. Watch yourself, who you are. Try to find your intelligence. It's a God's gift. So be an intelligent, not an intellectual. Be yourself. Thank you.